bad Google reviews. We don't want to get them, but occasionally we do. I'm Ron Ramsden, I'm a DYB coach, also painting contractor. I've received a bad Google review, and it got my blood boiling up to here. But what do? It is bound to happen now and then. Hopefully, very, very few times, but it's bound to happen. Well, first of all, let's get with that errant review out of the way. You've never done any work for somebody. It could be someone just leaving a bad review on your site. Well, Google has a way to respond to that. And if you go onto their site, you can hit report a review and you can dispute it. Then follow up with Google on their phone number they have listed there. But let's go back to legitimate review. Maybe, as in my case, I have a 1-star review. I was appalled. I was working so hard getting 5-star reviews. This one popped up, and it was a legitimate review from about 4 years prior. We didn't show up on a house when we were supposed to. We double booked. We didn't have cell phones back then. That's telling you how far it was back. And we dropped the ball big time. And so I responded to the review. But this is what you do when you get to the bad Google review. Walk away from the computer. Your blood is boiling. You want to let them know what you think, and this is not the time to do that. Back up, relax, go for a walk, come back and think about it. Respond quickly. Quickly, I mean before 24 hours. Respond as quick as you can and as to the point you can, but offer a way to remedy it. Some clients aren't going to take you up on it. And some clients, you got to understand, are just venting. Maybe they came back from a long day at work. Maybe something happened that is totally out of your control. They came home to find paint in their kitchen sink, and now they're mad. So when you left for the day, they're going to write the review. Give them a response and offer to fix the problem. If they follow up, it's their own thing. But also, not only on the bad reviews, you should be leaving replies on your good reviews. Let the customers know that you appreciate the review. Maybe write what I write quite often. Thank you for your kind words. It was a pleasure working for you, and we look forward to working for you again. Or you can make it more personal. Thank you for the kind words. It was great to be painting in your large family room, and we love your dog also. We're going to miss them. Please tell the dog we said hello. You can make it more personalized. When people are looking for a painter or looking for a contractor, they look for reviews. That's how we get found quite often. So what you want to do is you personalize this. You don't want to have people just leaving reviews with no response. So it's great to personalize. But on the bad review, respond quickly, apologize, offer a solution. If they take you up on it, that's a different thing. And then if you're going to promise them something, please follow through, because they're going to leave a second or they're going to edit their review. And if you get a 2 or a 3-star review, email that client and ask them what you could have done better. We want to keep this on the up and up, and we want to improve. We all want all our clients to be 5-star reviews. But, we're not all perfect. We're human. And I think sometimes when we get a lower review, that people looking on these sites, the Google review site, they got to realize that we didn't pay someone for these reviews. These are actual reviews, and nobody is perfect. So, couple things: respond to the reviews after you walk away if it's a bad review. Offer a solution to it, and then follow through with your solution. Reviews are gold. Treat them like that. I'm Ron Ramsden, a DYB coach, also painting contractor, so I feel your pain sometimes. If you want to help getting out of the bucket, touch base with me. It's Ron at DYB Coach. I'd love to talk with you. We can chat on the phone. We can do it by messenger. Ron Ramsden, DYB Coach. Find me on Facebook, helping painters work on their business so they don't have to work in their business.